Hello everyone, welcome back to this video, and this video today is how to set up your own server shop in Tatsu. So, let's get into it. So, what you need to do is you need to go to tatsu.gg, which is Tatsu's website, and you will need to log into your dashboard. And then once you log in, you should be left with this screen, very similar to this. And then you want to go to your servers, and go to your server that you want to use. Right now I'm working on the middle server, so I'm going to click on that. And then you'll be left with this. You have server, reward, store, modules, and settings. Right now, all we want to do is set up a shop, our server shop. So we're just going to go to reward store. And then once you're here, oh no, sorry, it's not reward store, modules. Yes, modules. And then you go to rewards and economy, and then you're going to go to item creator, so you can create things for your store. As you can see, I have a beta member and a beta accolade. I'm just going to remove this so that I can go through the process with you guys again. What we're going to do is we're going to create an item, and then you can create it whatever you want to be. Right now I'm just going to do accolade, because in the last one... okay, so accolade name, item name, we're just going to name it whatever you need to, and your item ID. This is a custom ID so that you can refer to it, so that if you need to change this in the future or whatever your tweaks, you can refer to this. You can refer to this item just by saying whatever you put in here. So I'm just going to do accolade beta, and there you go. And then you have your accolade item description. So you just want to type in what your accolade, is, what its purpose is. The purpose for this one is and we're just going to click next, and you want to paste emoji link from Discord here. You can use any emoji you like, but what I'm going to do is just a purple square. There we go. And then it will show you the preview of different sizes. You just click next, and then this is how it will be. Accolade item summary. Accolade, and this shows what it will look like on your rank card. So what you have to do now is just click save, and you're done. And it's here. No, this one is here. And then all you need to do now is, it's not in the shop bit because you just created it. So what you need to do now is you need to go to reward store, and then go to the bottom, click add an item, and add an accolade because we created an accolade. Select an item. Of course, we only have one right now, but if we had multiple, we'd pick the one that we want to add at the very moment. And the reward name. So what this means is when your members go to buy this item from the shop, this is what it will say. So let's just say beta member accolade. And then use reward description. Done. Next. And now your reward cost. So this is how much loyalty points will it take for people to buy this. Members get loyalty points for buying. Not for buying. They get loyalty points for talking in your chats. You can change how much they get every few minutes. And you can also change what channels they should get loyalty points for talking in, and which ones they should not. I'll do another video on this another time, but for now, I'm just going to do 306, because that's the same as my beta tester role, and it's 306 because the server was created on the 30th day of the 6th month. So yeah. Reward quantity, you can do, I don't know, 100. It doesn't really matter, but I just leave it unlimited. Reward command key. Now this identifies your reward, just like the same thing we did when we were creating it. It's basically the same thing. So I just like to do beta accolade. I think that's what I named it. and then I just like to do reward at the end. And now you can upload a photo. I'm pretty sure you have to upload a photo. And then you can just size this up to where you want it. I just like to show like the face. And yeah. Next, and then it's done. And then now, since we've done this, once it saves, it will say reward store updated. And we'll have this here, beta member accolade. So, now what we do is we just go to our server. If we type in T-shop, it might not appear straight away though. And then you go to your server shop. You go to your server shop by typing the number 2 because it's next to server shop. And then, yeah, oh, it's already there, fantastic. And now, this is the beta member accolade, and so all we need to do is just take the number 1, bam, and then you need to type the number of how many you want. So I wanted 5 of these, which I don't really see a need in doing. I'll type 5, but you don't really need that, so I'll just type 1, and then confirm. But of course, I do not have enough to buy it at the moment. But yeah, thank you for watching this video, guys. This is how to set up your server store. It's pretty much the exact same thing for the server roles and the custom item, but the custom item is a bit complicated because you have to go through many different things because, you know, it has to be able to represent anything you want. But yeah, that's how it is. And the next video, which will be posted a few minutes after this, will tell you how to equip, how to buy, or not how to buy, or buy and equip your server accolade. So thank you for watching.